Myanmar, also known as Burma, is a Southeast Asian country known for its rich cultural heritage, beautiful landscapes, and diverse cuisine. The country's cuisine is influenced by its neighboring countries such as India, China, and Thailand, but also has its own unique flavors and cooking techniques. Myanmar cuisine is characterized by its use of fresh herbs and spices, such as lemongrass, ginger, garlic, and turmeric. Rice is a staple food and is usually served with a variety of curries, soups, and salads. Here are some popular dishes and street food you can find in Myanmar. Mohena, this is Myanmar's national dish and a popular breakfast food. It is a fish-based soup made with catfish, rice noodles, lemongrass, ginger, and garlic. The soup is topped with crispy fried fritters, sliced banana stem, and boiled egg. Shan noodles, this is a popular noodle dish from the Shan state in Myanmar. It is made with thin rice noodles, topped with a tomato and pork sauce, and garnished with crispy fried garlic, sliced scallions, and chili flakes. Laugh at though, this is a traditional Burmese tea leaf salad that is made with fermented tea leaves, roasted peanuts, sesame seeds, crispy fried garlic, tomato, and dried shrimp. It is a perfect mix of salty, sour, and crunchy flavors. Oh no khao sway, this is a Burmese coconut chicken noodle soup that is typically served as a main course. It is made with chicken broth, coconut milk, turmeric, and chili flakes. It is served with boiled egg, crispy fried noodles, sliced onion, and lime wedges. Mont Lin Ma Yar, this is a popular street food in Myanmar, also known as Burmese pancakes. It is made with rice flour, coconut milk, and palm sugar. It is fried until crispy on the outside and chewy on the inside. Samosas, Myanmar's version of samosas is slightly different from the Indian version. It is filled with potatoes, onions, and a blend of Burmese spices. It is usually served with a sweet and sour dipping sauce. Kyakcho, this is a dessert made with glutinous rice flour, coconut milk, and sugar. It is served with shaved ice and sweet syrup. In addition to the dishes and street food mentioned above, Myanmar also has a variety of other unique and delicious foods that are worth trying. Here are a few more examples. Taminjin, this is a traditional Burmese dish made with rice and a variety of side dishes, such as fish cakes, vegetable curries, and fried onions. The rice is usually cooked with turmeric, which gives it a vibrant yellow color. Mo Letsong, this is a popular dessert made with sticky rice, coconut milk, and jaggery, a type of unrefined sugar.